Alright, that's fine.
Alright.
Don't need no band-aid or anything.
Alright, so we got Logan stitched up a little bit, and then we got his hammock set up right there. And I'm probably gonna sleep on the ground right over
You can sleep with me
right over there.
if you want.
Nah, dude, it's gonna be too uncomfortable. Sandy
Okay.
bottoms.
Alright.
So he's right over there, and I'm right over here, somewhere there. So my friend Liam found us and took us back to this campfire earlier. Alright guys, so Leon found us, and then we hiked a bit up, and then we set up camp, and I'm just gonna show you in the morning, but good night. I don't know if you can see the breath, like that bright. Alright, good night folks. So sadly, my friend Logan started walking at 3 a.m. in the night because he can't sleep. He didn't bring any insulation. He only brought a thin hammock and a hoodie. He thought that his first backpacking trip was gonna be easy, but turns out it hardened him. But I think it's a good thing, something to laugh about now. Dude. Poor guy was too cold, so I let him stay in my shelter to just warm up for a bit. I was like, what's happening here? Who's walking around? And I saw yellow, and I figured, yeah, it's you. Yeah, put yourself in there. Zip it up too.
Dude, this is nice. What the heck?
One of those.
Still alive, baby.
Still alive. He used no insulation at all. Sleeping in a hammock just right over there. That's his hammock in the tree. That's a guy right there.
That's the worst. Don't ever sleep in a hammock on a 30-degree day.
No, it was not 30.
40-degree day.
It was like 42, 43. So yeah, he got cold. Meanwhile, at night, I was freaking warm, yo.
Whatever.
Dude. It's actually a better view right there. Okay. Well, good morning, guys. The sleep here was, I don't know if I slept that much, but I feel good. Yeah. This thing was like hoisted up on the side like this, connected to that branch right there. I just took it out, but it was like this all night. And I have a sleeping bag, and it was really warm and nice. So this thing, great investment. Right. I think it's just time to pack up and. All right.
First bites.
So there's a emery. What's that called? Something like that. Have you tried this before,
Bite this
Liam?
thing?
Fuck, is a piece of wood or what?
No, it's like
2,400 calorie ration bar, apple cinnamon flavor.
That whole thing has 2,400 calories?
Oh,
So
break
each of
it.
you has 1,200? Oh.
There's more, yeah. I like 600 calories.
That's hard, huh?
It's really hard.
It's like a
Let me try it.
huge, hard Pop-Tart.
Yeah. Very pounded. It's like a compact soil.
That's all you need to eat for the rest of the day. 2,400 calories.
Oh.
It's so hard to eat.
Don't break your teeth, man. I already got like 2 teeth, like already like
Yeah, chip.
root canal and crown. Actually 3 now. 1 in the back, 2 in the front. Now gotta brush your teeth, man.
So guys, filtering water. It's time to drink. Really nice water.
Alright guys, so we hiked a little bit down the street, down the river, from the bridge. There's a way, and now we made it to the Devil's Canyon, Devil's Gulch. So by walking down the river system, you'll actually find a little stream popping out right over there, and the guy led us to the way. So now I just have to figure out a way to cross this river without getting really wet and get to the Devil's Gulch waterfall.
And that you can see that if you look at the bottom, which will go down, you can see the fireplace. Now you notice all these trees.
It's concrete here.
What kind of tree is it? Look at the leaf.
I'm not that good at
These
trees.
are fig trees.
Fig?
Figs are not native to North America.
No? So
No, they come
somebody...
from Syria and Middle East. And so these were probably, somebody probably brought some figs here to eat and threw them down. And then they just proliferated all through this valley here.
Ah,
You
figs.
can tell it's the gulch because you go down.
There's a fireplace. Crazy. In the middle of the jungle.
Because of all the leaves on the fig trees obstructed. Now
Wow! That is awesome.
you can see it.
Oh my god. Wow. Whoa. Ho 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 ho. Wow, thank you for bringing us here. Woohoo! Made it. 50 degrees. No, no, no. Woo! My balls are... Woo! My balls are cold. Oh! Alright guys, all packed and warm again. Changed to shorts. This is the all-around view of the falls. So you're coming in from over there, going here, and you'll see this magnificent Devil's Gulch waterfall. And my friend Leon and his buddy actually climbed the side right here. There's a rope you can climb, and then climbing all the way up there. I think they're already up on the top over there, but I'm not gonna do that today because I'm cramping and stuff. Okay, now she's gonna jump in. 3, 2, 1.
28 target.
One, I will be done. 2, love you mom. 3, bucket list check.
Okay, lucky target. Oh,
Look at target, that one?
Yep, pointing target, both hands, point, both hands, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We don't know him.
Well, we're hiking back to the car now after bungee jumping. It was too short. I wish I did too, but I need more money to do that. Anyways, I would recommend it 100% for sure. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Not really, I don't know.
15,000.
Alright.
Bye.
Goodbye, cruel world. I'm going, Mother Nature pussy.
Alright, I'll let Leon lead.
Alright, you can go first.
Whoa.
Alright, you can lead.
It's a freaking cave, guys.
Somebody's ass.
It's a freaking mineshaft.
Now, whatever you do, just still breathe the air in your story breath.
Really? Yo, what if there's carbon monoxide here? We'll die.
Nah, the worst thing here is handlebars.
Oh, pentagon?
Ah, the bats!
Where? Where? I want to see a bat. Where's the bat? Oh. It's pretty deep, guys.
If you look at the ceiling, you see little white things.
Yo, this the worms.
What is it?
The salt buildup, calcium carbonate.
Yeah.
Calcium carbonate.
Yeah. Don't.
No.
I'm nice to that. I'm recording our journey, guys. Oh, looks like a crashed area over there. Dead end. Oh. Alright, so guys, that's a dead end right there. I'm not gonna get close there because I don't want to get crashed. I'll go back.
Dead end?
Yeah.
You're going good.
Coming. Push him up.
Running water?
Yeah.
You keep going, guys. I'm gonna record you from behind.
Go for it. You have a yellow sweater, I have a yellow one.
Going from the
Yeah, you do a first one. Are you the wrong one?
Yeah, you're it.
No.
Am I going? You go! Oh, you're a bitch.
Go, Leon. Go.
Yo, did something just move? Fuck no, I'm going back there.
You're like, don't be a bitch.
Can you crawl through it?
Don't be a bitch.
Crawl through?
No, you can crawl through, you can get up to the right there.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. There's some like Indiana Jones.
Yeah, you can crawl through there and then it opens up a couple ways and you can get up there.
You wanna
can
boost me up?
No, you can climb and it goes up and you can end up there.
Alright, go.
I have pictures on but I'm not gonna go there. I've already been up there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go
I
there
don't
too.
believe you. Do it right
I
now.
believe.
I'll send you pictures on
I
where
believe
was.
you, Leon, but I'm not gonna risk going up there though. Like, with that.
It's kind of loose. You see those rocks?
Yeah,
up
I
there?
know.
It's-
It can just
yeah.
collapse anytime.
Last time I was there, there was a rock that just had foot like that behind me.
Yeah, let's go.
But you can go.
That's nice, dude. Sounds sick.
Alright, mom. I'm gonna pick you a rock, mom. This your rock, mom. Take it up. Okay? Sabi ng mama naman yun. Whee! Maalagang makulit. Makulit. Ang kulog sa I'm out. I'm fucking out. I'm fucking out. Daylight. A rock for my mama. What? Yeah. I'm just like curious if it tastes like salt.